Welcome to Module 6, our final module, Safe, Smart and Sustainable AI Habits. Today we're thinking about responsible long-term practices that enhance your judgment rather than replace it. Over the past 5 modules, we've discovered some helpful techniques: AI-powered daily and weekly planning, smart email and communication workflows, productivity techniques, and coordination and scheduling assistance. Now, let's make sure we use them wisely and sustainably. Let's start with privacy. There is data that you can share freely, for example, task types, general scheduling needs, and work categories. You should be cautious with specific names, sensitive business details, and personal addresses. And never share passwords, financial information, confidential client data, or private family matters. Here's a practical example. Instead of saying, "Help me email John Smith about the budget crisis at ABC Company," you could instead say, "Help me email a colleague about addressing budget concerns at work." You'd get the same quality of output while protecting the sensitive information. AI tools should enhance your voice, not replace it. So always review and personalize any AI suggestions. Add your own examples and experiences. Trust your instincts about tone and relationships. Use AI as a starting point, not the final answer. It's important to recognize what AI can't do or doesn't know. It doesn't know your company's specific culture and relationships. It doesn't have current events or real-time information. It doesn't understand personal context and emotional nuances. And it doesn't know industry-specific regulations or requirements. Always apply your human judgment to any AI solutions. And there are times when it's sensible to avoid AI altogether. Don't use it for highly sensitive personal conversations, specific legal or medical advice, crisis communication without very careful review, decisions affecting people's jobs or well-being, or anything requiring complete confidentiality. For sustainability, I'd recommend building these habits gradually. Week 1, try AI for your planning. Week 2, add in some email support. Week 3, you could experiment with productivity techniques. And week 4 and beyond, integrate coordination and more advanced features. But don't try to do everything at once. Think of this as a smart partnership. AI could handle your routine administrative work, like basic scheduling and planning tasks, standard email drafting and organization, information sorting and prioritization. And that could free you up to focus on what matters most: personal relationships and meaningful connection, strategic thinking and creative problem solving, and final decisions and quality oversight. Some practical data protection principles. Use AI tools from reputable companies. Read the privacy policies of the tools that you do use regularly. Don't store any sensitive information in AI chat histories. Consider using incognito or private browsing for sensitive tasks. And remember that AI companies can use conversations for training. So be careful with general purpose AI tools. Always review AI suggestions for financial calculations or important numbers, dates, times, and scheduling details, professional communications to key contacts, and any advice affecting relationships or decisions. AI can produce inaccurate information, so you're the quality control. You could create your own specific guidelines for time management AI use, as that will help you embed the principles of privacy when thinking about which tasks are most appropriate to get AI support from. Thinking about which planning tasks you'll regularly use it for. What type of information will you keep private? How will you maintain personal relationships whilst using AI for coordination? And what's your backup plan for if the technology fails? Always remembering that AI is a tool. You're the craftsperson. Efficiency isn't everything. Relationships matter so much more. Take breaks from digital tools regularly. And keep developing your own thinking and decision-making skills. So we now have some practical ideas to save us some hours per week on routine planning. Try to reduce decision fatigue and stress. Think about communicating more effectively and coordinating complicated schedules, all while maintaining your humanity and judgment. So for the final challenge, I do recommend that you create your time management charter. Write down your specific commitments. For example, 3 time management tasks that you could try out. The types of scheduling information that you'll keep private. A daily practice to ensure authentic human connections. And your strategy for staying organised if AI isn't available. Congratulations on completing AI-powered time management. You have some ideas and tools to transform your daily productivity. You understand how to use AI safely and responsibly in this context. And you're ready to take control of your time and reduce some of that stress. Start with one technique today. Your organised future awaits you. Thank you.